Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Have you ever wondered how Japanese gardens achieve such breathtaking beauty and precision? That sense of tranquility and balance isn't accidental. It's a result of a deep respect for nature and a mindful approach to gardening. The secret lies in the tools. Today, we're unveiling 20 essential Japanese gardening tools that can transform your gardening experience, bringing you closer to the peace and harmony of a Japanese garden. Ah, the Hori Hori knife. Its sharp concave blade makes it perfect for so many tasks. Imagine effortlessly digging planting holes for your seedlings, its serrated edge slicing through roots with ease. The Hori Hori can also be used for weeding, dividing perennials, and even harvesting vegetables. Its pointed tip allows for precise work, ensuring you don't disturb the delicate roots of nearby plants. This tool, my friends, will become your most trusted companion in the garden. The Kanaho, with its flat, sharp blade, embodies the gentle touch so essential in Japanese gardening. Unlike traditional hoes that forcefully turn the soil, the Kanaho glides just beneath the surface, creating a beautiful, even texture. It's not about brute force, but about working in harmony with the earth, respecting its delicate balance. Its lightweight design makes it a joy to use even for extended periods. Now let's talk about the Nijiri Gama hoe. This tool, with its unique angled blade, is like a surgeon's scalpel for weeds. Its sharp edge slices through weeds just below the soil surface, preventing them from growing back. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The Nijiri Gama hoe is a true testament to the Japanese philosophy of simplicity and efficiency. Chapter 4. Okatsune Pruners, the sharpest tool in the shed. Okatsune pruners, my friends, are not just tools, they are works of art. Crafted with the finest materials, these pruners are renowned for their sharpness and durability. Imagine the clean, precise cuts they make, promoting the health and vigor of your plants. When you prune with Okatsune, you're not just trimming branches, you're engaging in a meditative practice. These pruners become an extension of your hand, allowing you to shape your plants with artistry and care. Chapter 5. Ikebana Scissors, where gardening meets art. Ikebana, the Japanese art of flower arrangement, embodies the principles of minimalism and harmony. These scissors, with their short, delicate blades, are designed for precision and control. These scissors are not for hacking or sawing, but for gentle, deliberate cuts that enhance the flower's elegance. The act of using Ikebana scissors is a form of meditation in itself. Chapter 6. Sentei Shears, Taming the Wilderness with Grace. When it comes to pruning shrubs and small branches, Sentei shears are your trusted allies. These long-handled shears provide the leverage and reach you need to tackle those overgrown areas with grace and ease. The long handles allow you to maintain a comfortable posture, preventing strain and fatigue. With each cut, you're not just trimming away excess growth, you're restoring order and balance to your garden. Chapter 7. Kumari Rake, Gathering Nature's Gifts with Care. The Kumari rake, also known as the bear claw rake, is a testament to the Japanese respect for nature. Unlike traditional rakes that can disturb the soil, the Kumari rake gently gathers leaves and debris, leaving the ground undisturbed. It's a meditative process, a way to connect with nature and appreciate its seasonal beauty. It's also perfect for gathering grass clippings, pine needles, and other garden debris, making cleanup a breeze. Chapter 8. Shuro Brush, Sweeping Your Cares Away. The Shuro brush, made from natural palm fibers, is a humble tool with a big heart. It's perfect for sweeping pathways, patios, and even delicate surfaces like moss gardens. But the Shuro brush is more than just a cleaning tool. The act of sweeping becomes a meditative practice, a way to find peace and tranquility in the everyday. As you sweep your garden paths, imagine yourself sweeping away worries and stress, creating a clean slate for new beginnings. Chapter 9. Niwaki Tripod Ladder, Reaching new heights. When it comes to pruning taller trees and hedges, stability is key. Designed for uneven terrain, this ladder provides a secure platform for reaching those high branches. You can now reach those previously inaccessible branches, pruning with precision and care. The Niwaki tripod ladder is a testament to the Japanese emphasis on safety and functionality. It allows you to tackle even the most challenging pruning tasks with confidence. Chapter 10. Bonsai Shears, Sculpting Miniature Worlds. Bonsai, the art of cultivating miniature trees, is a testament to patience, precision, and the beauty of nature in miniature. These specialized shears are designed for the delicate work of shaping and refining bonsai trees. Bonsai shears, with their sharp, precise blades, give you the control you need to create these living works of art. It's a meditative process, requiring patience and a keen eye for detail. Chapter 11. Cape Cod Weeder, a gardener's secret weapon. Weeds, those persistent intruders in our gardens, can be a source of frustration. But fear not, for the Cape Cod Weeder is here to save the day. This handy tool, with its narrow blade, is perfect for targeted weeding in tight spaces. The Cape Cod Weeder's sharp blade severs weeds at the root, preventing them from growing back. With the Cape Cod Weeder in hand, you can maintain a weed-free paradise with ease. Chapter 12. Japanese Weeding Sickle, Slicing Through Stubborn Invaders. For those stubborn weeds that refuse to budge, the Japanese weeding sickle is your secret weapon. This traditional tool, with its sharp, curved blade, is designed to slice through even the toughest roots. Its lightweight design and comfortable grip make it a pleasure to use, even for extended periods. When it comes to transferring soil and compost, the soil scoop, also known as the kakuri, is an indispensable tool. Its deep curved shape allows you to scoop up generous amounts of soil with minimal spillage. Its smooth, rounded edges prevent damage to delicate roots, ensuring your plants thrive. It's a simple tool that makes a world of difference. Planting seeds and bulbs can be a meditative process, and the planting dibber is here to guide you. This simple tool helps you create uniform holes for your seeds and bulbs, ensuring they're planted at the correct depth. Its pointed tip easily penetrates the soil, while its markings ensure consistent depth. The planting dibber is a small tool that makes a big difference, helping you create a thriving garden, one seed at a time. Just as a chef cherishes their knives, a gardener should cherish their tools. And at the heart of tool care lies the sharpening stone. A sharp tool is a joy to use, making clean, precise cuts that promote plant health. A dull tool, my friends, is not only frustrating to use, it can also damage your plants. Chapter 16. Tool Cleaning Brush, Extending the Life of Your Beloved Tools. After a long day of gardening, our tools deserve a little TLC. This handy brush helps you remove dirt, sap, and debris from your tools, preventing rust and corrosion. It's a small act of care that goes a long way in extending the lifespan of your beloved tools. Remember, our tools are our partners in the garden. Chapter 17. Garden Apron, Your Portable Garden Sanctuary. A gardener's best friend? Some might say they're tools, but I believe it's a trusty garden apron. This practical garment not only protects your clothing from dirt and stains, but it also serves as a portable garden sanctuary. You're ready to tackle any gardening task, with everything you need within arm's reach. A garden apron is a symbol of your dedication to your craft, a badge of honor for those who find joy in nurturing the earth. Gardening is a joy, but it can also be a prickly affair. Thorny roses, spiky shrubs, and prickly vines can all leave their mark. But fear not, for arm guards are here to protect you. Arm guards give you the freedom to work without fear, allowing you to fully embrace the joys of gardening. The Japanese garden knife, a true testament to Japanese craftsmanship, is a versatile tool that deserves a place in every gardener's collection. Its sharp, durable blade can be used for a variety of tasks, from cutting twine to harvesting vegetables. The Japanese garden knife is a reminder that sometimes the simplest tools are the most versatile and enduring. The gentle sound of water cascading from a bamboo watering can is music to a gardener's ears. This eco-friendly watering can, with its natural beauty and timeless design, is the perfect way to nourish your plants. The bamboo watering can is a reminder that even in our gardening practices, we can make choices that are in harmony with nature. It's a beautiful thing to nurture nature with tools that are themselves a product of nature. These 20 essential Japanese gardening tools can truly transform your gardening experience, bringing you closer to the peace and harmony of a Japanese garden. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks inspired by the wisdom of Japanese gardening traditions. Until next time, may your gardens be filled with beauty, your tools spark joy, and your gardening journey be filled with peace.